Huracan Super Trofeo Omologato. This is the hardcore version of the Huracan, the most track-focused version, and it is absolutely insane. Look at all this carbon. This one has the full carbon package. Front bumper in carbon. Hood bonnet, the Cofango. Gold center locks. It's just insane. Don't touch the exhaust, it's hot. Just kidding. Carbon wing. The shark fin is in carbon also, the full carbon package. This is absolutely insane. Literally a race car for the road. Unbelievable drive, just like a GT3 or a GT3 RS, insane. I guess this is Lamborghini's version of those cars. Interior, carbon doors. This is a one of one with this carbon sport seats with yellow ad personam pinstriping. This is the only one to have that in this exact configuration. There's other cars that look like this, blue and yellow, but the interior is different. With the blue and yellow two-tone. Beautiful. And the little touch, the blue start button. The snorkel is absolutely insane on the top, the roof scoop. Beautiful car. This is the interior of the STO. Absolutely crazy. And this car has auto on off for whatever reason. The modes on this car are STO, Trofeo, and Pioggia. Pioggia is wet mode. Trofeo is obviously like race or track, like Corsa is STO. And this car is harsh. In Trofeo mode, it is no joke. This car is like rock solid. You feel every bump in the road, every pebble you feel and hear like nothing else. You're really connected to this car. The only thing that this car needs is a manual. Come on, Lamborghini. They should have optioned it in this car because this is one of the last Huracans ever made. And they should have did it. Too bad though. But this is, the dual clutch is amazing too, but you know, beggars can't be choosers, I guess. This is the front lift here. Let's look at the Cofango now. We'll open it up with the key, the 3D printed key. This is how you get out of the car, with a strap. And the sound system in this car is absolute garbage. This is the front trunk release. It's a 3D printed key. The snorkel on the top. So this is how you do it. Put in this 3D printed key here. It's in the lock position right now. We're going to unlock it. And I believe over there is where the Wolf of Wall Street scene was filmed. This is the country club where it was filmed, as you can see. The famous scene where he's in the white on white Countach. Let's open this up. I'm going to attempt to do this with one hand. You push this in. Let's do the other side now. you lift. Look at that. Isn't that great? Full carbon, like a race car. And the color on this car is blue laufey and gallo balimus, I believe the yellow is called. Absolutely crazy. And there's no room in there, as you see. Crash bar. Let's close this up now. Look at that. Race car.